Alright, so today we are talking about something I honestly did not expect to be excited about again, but here we are, Pebble is back. Yep, the legendary Pebble smartwatch is making a return with Pebble Round 2 and Pebble Time 2, and as someone who actually used the original Pebble back in the day, this feels like a proper comeback, not just a nostalgia cash grab. This is being led by Eric Mijakowski through his new company Core Devices, and the goal is simple: keep the Pebble DNA alive. Simple, fun, long battery life, and zero nonsense. I have been digging into the details, specs, and philosophy behind these watches, and I want to walk you through why this might actually be one of the most refreshing smartwatch launches we have seen in years. Before we go any further, if you are into smartwatches, tech reviews, and honest hands-on style breakdowns like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like on the video. It seriously helps the channel grow and lets me keep bringing you content like this. Now let us talk about what Pebble actually is for anyone new here. Pebble is not trying to be a mini smartphone on your wrist. These are e-paper smartwatches with simple functionality, insanely good battery life, physical buttons plus touch, and a clean, quirky design that focuses on usefulness over flash. The original Pebble launched on Kickstarter back in 2012 and basically defined what an indie smartwatch could be. Fast forward to now, and Pebble OS is open source, the app ecosystem is still alive, and there are over 10,000 watch faces and apps available. That alone makes this comeback way more legit than most reboots we see. Starting with Pebble Round 2, this is easily the most stylish Pebble ever made. You get a 1.3-inch 64-color e-paper display, a stainless steel frame, touchscreen support, and 3 color options. It keeps the iconic round design but refines it to feel modern and premium. Battery life is rated between 10 to 14 days, which absolutely destroys most modern smartwatches. It has step and sleep tracking, water resistance, a microphone, and all the classic Pebble features people loved. And the price, $199, with shipping planned for May 2026. That is honestly a solid deal for what you are getting. Then there is Pebble Time 2, and this one is for the hardcore Pebble fans. It has a bigger 1.5-inch 64-color e-paper display, stainless steel with polycarbonate, heart rate monitoring, and an estimated battery life of up to 30 days. Yes, 30 days on a smartwatch. That alone is wild in 2026. You also get a microphone and speaker, RGB backlight, stronger vibration motor, and a more rectangular design similar to the classic Pebble Time 2 from 2016, just done better. This one comes in 4 color options, costs $225, and starts shipping around March or April 2026. What I really love here is that Pebble did not overcomplicate things. Both watches run Pebble OS, which is fully open source. That means developers can modify the OS, add features, and even build custom hardware that runs Pebble OS. If you are a tinkerer or just love the idea of owning tech that does not lock you into a closed ecosystem, this is huge. You still get iPhone and Android support, notifications, fitness tracking, apps, and watch faces, without the constant charging anxiety. Shipping is also handled pretty cleanly. Watches ship from Asia with tracking, taxes and duties prepaid, and US customers only deal with a small tariff that is clearly communicated before shipping. Color selection happens closer to shipping, so you are not locked in right now, which I appreciate. Warranty is straightforward too, 30 days for manufacturing defects, no drama. The biggest takeaway for me is this: Pebble knows exactly what it is and what it is not. It is not trying to compete with Apple Watch Ultra or Galaxy Watch. It is for people who want a smartwatch that tells time, shows notifications, tracks basic health, lasts forever on a charge, and stays out of the way. In a world where everything is bloated and over-engineered, Pebble feels almost rebellious in the best way. If you were a Pebble fan back in the day, or you always heard about Pebble and missed your chance, this reboot actually makes sense. I am genuinely excited to see these in the wild, and I will absolutely be keeping a close eye on how they turn out. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more hands-on style tech reviews and honest opinions, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It really helps out, and I will see you in the next one.